After watching this video, you will be able to create a 400 plus commands bot without coding and hosting it 24/7 hours for free. Before starting the video, don't forget to like the video and make sure to
please subscribe. Okay, thank you.
Alright, let's jump into the video. Come to Discord developer portals and click on the new application, enter your bot name and agree to their term of services, and then click on the create button.
Bruh.
Now go to the bot tab, then click on add a bot and then click on yes do it. Now scroll down a little bit and enable these 3 intense options. These options are very important. If you don't enable them, then the bot will not respond to your message. Alright, now go to Auth2 tab, then URL generator, select bot and then select your bot. Permissions, you can also leave it normal for no permissions. Now scroll down and copy the invite link to add the bot to your server. Simply paste this link in another tab and invite the bot. After that, come to this project file, you will find it in the description. After that, click on use template, enter your project name and description, then again click on use template. Now wait for some time until it fork and upload all the data. It may take some time, depends on your internet. Now, if you go to env.example, then you will see which things are necessary to put in the secrets. They are Discord token, Mongo token, Giphy token, webhook ID, webhook token, and Discord ID. And the other are not necessary, so if you don't want that, then it's okay. First we will get our bot token and its client ID, because it's easy to get, but before that, first go to the tools section, then search for secrets and click on that. Type Discord_token, make sure all the characters are same as written in the env.example. For the value, go to developer portals and your application, then go to the bot section, and click on reset token and enter your 2FA if you have enabled. After that, you will see your bot token, copy it and paste it in the value section. Again click on add new secret key, then type Discord_ID, make sure all the letters are same as mine. For the value, go again to developer portals, go to OAuth2 then click on general, copy the client ID and paste it in the value section. Now we will get webhook ID and webhook token, as they are also easy to get. Type webhook_token, make sure all the letters are same as me. To get the token, go to your server then select the channel where you want the bot logs to be monitored. Right click on the channel then go to edit channel, go to integration then click on create webhook. Now copy the webhook URL and paste it somewhere where you can edit it. Copy only the token from the URL as you can see on the screen. Now paste it in the value section. After that, type webhook_ID, go back to the URL and copy the webhook URL only, and paste it in the value section. Now we will get the Giphy token, type Giphy_token in the key section. To get the token, you will need to come to this website from the description, create an account if you don't have already, and after that you will see something like this. Now, click on create app, select API key, then click on next step, enter your app name, description and agree to their term of services, then click on create app. After that, you will get your API key, simply copy it and paste it in the value section. The last thing is to enter the Mongo token, simply type Mongo_token. To create Mongo token, come to this website from the description, create an account if you don't have already. In the database section, click on build a database. Select the free cloud database, then select your cloud region from where you are. After that, click on create a cluster. Now go to database section and wait for some time until it fully creates your cluster. It can take up to 2 minutes. Once your cluster is created, go to the database access, then click on add a new database user. In the password authentication, enter your username and password. Make sure to remember these details as you will need to use it later. After that, click on add built-in role, then select read and write to any database user and then click on add a user. Now the last thing is you will need to add a network access. Go to network access, then click on add IP address. Here, you can select add current IP address or allow access from anywhere. You can select any of them. I will select allow access from anywhere. After that, click on confirm and wait until they fully had set up the IP address. It can take about 10 to 20 seconds. Once you are done, go again to database section, then at the cluster, click on the connect button, select connect your application, which is on the second number. Simply copy the Mongo URL which is given, and paste it somewhere where you can edit it. I will use Discord for this. Now remove the password word with greater and less than sign, and write your own password which you have used at the authentication, and also, if you have username instead of this then replace it with your username too. After that, copy the Mongo and paste it in the value section. Finally, you are ready to run the bot. If you have followed the steps correctly and have not done any mistake, then your bot will work. And also, if you want some more features in the bot like a chatbot feature, then you will also need to get the API or tokens of them. You can do it yourself. Simply click on Run button to host the bot. Now wait for some time until it completes the process. If you are doing it for the first time, then it can take some time because it will first install all the required files. To check the bot if it's online or not, then simply go to the channel which you have selected from the bot and you will see something like this. If you get these messages, it means the bot is fine and you are ready to use it. To check, simply use /commands and you will get the list of all the commands in the / menu, and you can use /help to get the help menu of the commands. You can see the bot is working fine. You can use the menu to select another pages. There are over 24 categories and every category has many commands which you can use. If you get this message, it means there are no categories left. Now let's use any one command to check the bot. I will test the moderation commands. These are the moderation commands which you can use. Let's use the ban command if it's working or not. You will have to select the member which you want to ban, then select messages deletion time, and give a reason. Wait, what? I kicked my own bot. Run the bot, and after that, you will see this replace.it link. Simply copy it and come to this website from the description, paste the URL in the URL monitor and enter your email, then click on Start Monitoring. After that, set up your profile and enter your information. If you don't want this, then you can also skip it. Now, the last step is to verify your account. Go to your email, then click on the Activate Account. Enter your information, then click on Activate Your Account and you are done. After that, your bot will online 24/7 hours. So this is the end of the video. If you face any problem, feel free to ask help in the comments section and I will help you. Thank you for watching and peace out.